How to withdraw from Binance to your local bank account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can withdraw from Binance to your local bank account. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right in. So to withdraw your Binance to your local bank account, first you'll need to sell your crypto for your local fiat currency, which you can do directly through Binance P2P marketplace. So let's do that. So locate your Binance app and then open it up. After you're on your Binance, make sure you're logged in into your account. So you should be on the home page right here. So what you can do is you can do a direct withdrawal if possible by selling your crypto to fiat. Go to the trade section first. Then after you're here, make sure you're on the convert section right here. Tap on convert if you're not there. And after you're there, you can then simply choose the crypto that you want to sell. So simply sell a crypto, choose a crypto that you want. You choose a crypto, choose a fiat currency. Tap on the to option. And from here, choose what currency that you want. So I'll just keep it at euro. And after doing that, tap in right here. And now choose an amount. After you choose an amount, you can then tap on the preview option. After you tap on the preview option, it will now you can increase the BTC. So basically now you can sell your crypto for your fiat currency. After you do that, you can then go to the wallet option after you've sold this. So go to your home page, tap on the wallet option. After you're on your wallet, what you'll then need to do is go to fiat and spot. Now, since my account is not verified, I will not be able to do that. But after you're on your wallet, go to fiat and spot and tap on withdrawal. Then you can choose the bank transfer option and enter out your bank details. After you do that, you will then be able to withdraw from your Binance to your local bank account. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.